the Nakiri knife, the Japanese vegetable knife. This is the most detailed veggie knife there is. This is what this knife is for, right here. So this is how I like to cut bell peppers. I'll take the tail off. Ooh, it's like butter. It's so smooth, it scares me. All right, so now I'm actually finding the base of the stem, and I'm going to grab it from the top and grab that base of stem. You see how that stem fell off? And you get a perfect little tile here. Now, I'm going to insert the Nakiri, but not all the way through. I'm going to flatten out that flap, and I'm just going to roll the bell pepper as I slide the knife through, and that's how you get perfect tiles. If you remember the Jet Tila rhyme, tile, slice, dice, tile can turn into a batonette. Batonette can turn into dice. You know this stuff already. The Nakiri really allows you to kind of take that pith, that inner white section out, so you're left with a perfect sweet part of the bell pepper. Look at that, just with a Nakiri. That's scary, yo. That is a scary sharp knife. Now, I'm going to cut 1/8 inch slices, which is a fine julienne. And then take the fine julienne, cut it perpendicular into brunoise. And brunoise is basically 1/8 by 1/8 by 1/8. And that's an amazing garnish. For back in the day, it would be consomme, but whatever you want to use it for, that's a sexy cut right there. So for more information on the Nakiri knife, check out the link in bio. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and we'll see you next time.